Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to unfollow someone on Rednote. Now the first thing is open up your Rednote, and the next thing you're going to do is click on at the top here. You have three options. We have follow, explore and nearby. So remember, you're in the home menu. Make sure you're in the home menu. So click on follow. You can see who you followed, and then if you want to unfollow, then you can just click on the one you want to unfollow. Let's say I want to unfollow this particular lady. Click on it, and then you can see following at the top here. So click on following. They ask you want to unfollow this person. Yes, confirm by clicking on unfollow. It's as simple as that. So now I've unfollowed that particular person. These are her posts. So I've unfollowed her. It's as simple as that. So that is how to unfollow people on Rednote. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.